Hey guys, I'm just posting this because I'm gonna tell you where butterfly knives are illegal. So there's a country in somewhere in Lithuania, I think. So